Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to live stream on TikTok from your PC. Whether you want to stream your games, your screen, or your webcam, this guide will show you everything you need to know. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for TikTok Live Studio. Open the official TikTok Live Studio download page and click Download for Windows. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install TikTok Live Studio on your computer. After the installation is finished, launch TikTok Live Studio. Make sure you're signed in to the TikTok account you want to stream with. Now it's time to set up your live stream. On the left side, look for the Sources section and click the plus icon. If you want to stream your entire screen, choose Display Capture. If you only want to stream a specific application or game, choose Window Capture. Click Add and select the window you want to capture. You can also enable Capture Cursor if you want viewers to see your mouse movements. For example, if you want to stream a game, make sure the game is running in the background, then select it from the list. Next, choose your stream layout. TikTok is mainly designed for vertical videos, so I recommend using portrait mode. If your screen doesn't fit perfectly, simply resize or reposition the capture source until it looks good. You can also add a webcam. Click the plus icon again, select Camera, and choose your webcam from the list. Then resize and move the webcam overlay anywhere you like on the screen. But as you can see, for me, TikTok made new rules. You have to go on live 3 times for 25 minutes, so you unlock this feature. This validation may take up to 48 hours, so don't worry if it didn't unlock when you meet requirements and it didn't instant unlock. You can also add extra elements such as follower goals, alerts, chat boxes, and other widgets to make your live stream more interactive. Once everything is set up and you're happy with the layout, click the Go Live button. If your account is eligible for live streaming, your stream will start. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot. Take care. Bye.